Can you hear my dog barking?
Beware the Phantom of the Opera!
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys around 15 Broadway musical inspired Halloween costumes. Because Halloween is coming up and I know that if you are like me, you cannot wait till Halloween, but for some reason you always leave your costume to the very last minute. Before we get started, I'm Sophia Lovelace and I post theater videos, comedy videos, and style videos. So if any of that stuff interests you, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below to be notified when I have new uploads. I upload around once a week, so you do not want to miss out when I have those uploads. And in order to make this a true last minute Halloween costume ideas, I literally pulled everything out of my closet. Because if you're trying to find a costume last minute, you might not actually have time to go to the store. Now, some of these costumes are quite advanced from years ago or things that I've had lying around, but others are super simple. So situations where you don't know how dressed up everyone else is gonna be and you don't want to show up in full costume with full makeup and fake blood and stuff, and then everyone's wearing like a t-shirt that has like a pumpkin on it and you feel kind of awkward. So I have a good mixture, I think, of casual Halloween costumes and then more crazy advanced stuff. So let's get started. I guess this shirt could work for Sophie from Mamma Mia. I mean, just put some flip-flops on and you're good to go. I have this shirt here, which is very Dorothy Wizard of Oz looking. I also have these shoes here. Yes, I know they're not ruby red, but they are really sparkly. And I think in the dark, I don't think people would notice, maybe. I don't know. Again, this is a last minute Halloween costume. You can't be picky. Elle Woods from Legally Blonde the musical. Elle is trapped in the Old Valley Mill? Oops, sorry. The Old Valley Mall. I just have this pink raincoat here with this white collared shirt. You can probably get away with a pink blazer. I have a little Webkins. Remember when these things used to be like $20 and now they're like $2 at the dollar store? And I have this bag right here, which I did get from a thrift store a few years ago. And there you go, your Elle Woods. I make her lie to you to save me. As you can tell, Rowl is totally out of my vocal range. So this is probably the most simple Broadway costume, but you could be Rowl from Phantom of the Opera. This white puffy shirt, I got it for a steampunk costume, and it's been chilling in my closet ever since, but I think it works for Rowl. Dun, 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 dun. I don't have a mask, and that's the best I could do. He's here, the Phantom of the Opera. Beware the Phantom of the Opera. Totally hit all those notes. I got this cape here that I literally made out of an old pair of dress pants. And I have this sparkly collar. Yes, don't try to argue with me. The Phantom would have a sparkly collar. I mean, in one of the original productions of Phantom of the Opera, he had a sparkly cape, so. Then I have this really sparkly sweater here, which I think the Phantom would totally love. And you know what the best part of this outfit is? You can put a top hat on, and now you're Dracula from Dracula the Musical. Okay, honestly, putting this on and seeing it on camera, I look more like the Puritans from Something Rotten. Like, I could totally see Wednesday Addams wearing this outfit, minus the sparkles though. You'd probably wear a collared shirt more like this underneath this one to make it a little more spooky. Then you just braid your hair and you're good to go. Vivian from Legally Blonde. You just need to get one of these sweaters with like the Argyle pattern, and you just need to put on a big headband. I myself am strange and unusual. Wear a black dress and probably a black hat. I don't own a black hat, but if you own a black hat, put it on, boom, you're Lydia from Beetlejuice. This costume is perfect if you want to dress up as that girl from Light in the Piazza. I've just listened to a few songs on the soundtrack and holy moly, some of those notes are really high. But just get a simple 1950s dress and get a hat, you're good to go. And you know what the best part of this costume is? I just threw on a cardigan and put my hair in pigtails, and now I'm Penny from Hairspray. Another thing about this costume is that I'm pretty sure you can make it Sandra Dee too. basically anything from the 50s. Way down, Hades Town, way down under the ground. It could be Persephone from Hades Town. All I got was a green flowy t-shirt and a flowered necklace. I don't understand why no one has talked about how terrifying the story of Persephone is. She's just like hashtag living her best life, and then Hades decides to kidnap her and force her to marry him. Like, that's scary, man. I mean, you can't just kidnap women and then demand that they marry you. I also feel like that point applies to Phantom of the Opera and Beauty and the Beast. This next character, me and her have completely different styles. So I did not expect to be able to find a costume in my closet for Janice from Mean Girls. But I honestly think that this is the best outfit out of this whole video. First off, I got this green jacket here. I got it for $3 at an outlet store once. Then I got this t-shirt here from Walmart that says Fetch, and it has the Mean Girls logo, because I feel like she wears graphic tees. Even though she doesn't say Fetch, I feel like if you wear this costume, people will get it if it says Fetch and Mean Girls right across it. Then I have these super cool leggings. One more thing. Combat boots. Look at that. You're Janice from Mean Girls. So here I got this very simple Glinda costume. Now, a lot of people do Glinda when she's in that pink dress. You can easily do Glinda when she's in that blue bubble dress. Got a blue fuzzy sweater. I got a little tiny crown. You can easily get those wherever. I got this one from my Sweet 16 years ago, but you can get one from the dollar store. And you probably have one lying around your house. I mean, you are a theater kid, right? This blue wand, I got it at a Harry Potter festival, but I'm pretty sure you can easily make a white wand and stick whatever you want on it. Eager to kill any who says that his hook isn't cute. It's cute! The last costume you could be is Captain Hook. This one is so simple. All I got is this black shirt with ruffles, and then I got this red coat over top of it. I got this all at once at Value Village. But if you didn't want to be Captain Hook because this thing's annoying, you could just throw this away, put on a mustache, and you're Captain Stash from Peter and the Starcatchers. If you really didn't want a big hat like that, you can just get a little clip-on one. Boom. And you're still Captain Hook. But that is the end of my video today. Hopefully you guys got some ideas for Halloween. What are you gonna be for Halloween this year? Leave it in the comments down below. Were any of them featured on this list? In the name of Dionysus, the god of theater, make sure to subscribe. You wouldn't want to make Willie Shakes upset, would you? I think that's it for today, and bye! Scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. These scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and share in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. Now I've made a big mess that I gotta clean up. Not looking forward to that.